guys? It's Andrew, Kentucky Beardsman. Welcome back to Beard Not a Budget. This is episode 6. So today, I do not have a review for you as far as any companies go for Beard Not a Budget. Next weekend, I'm guaranteed that I will, and this one is going to be a very, very, very hot review. I promise you that. So this week, we're going to give you a little tip, a little hack, a little beneficial knowledge. And this kind of does still go along with the whole budget theme, because maybe you can only afford oils and you can't afford a ton of butters or conditioners or all those little different things like that. So let's just say you're running just oil. Maybe you got 1 or 2 butters and you don't want to use them all up all the time. You use them sparingly. So I'm going to give you 3 different things that you can do with your beard, and I guarantee you all 3 of them will have a ton of benefits for your beard, for your skin, and for just the overall health of your beard. So what you're going to need, very simple. And this is all depending on your budget. The one thing our beards need is moisture. We got to have moisture in our beards or it's going to be bone dry, right? Okay, so we all know that water is our main source of moisture. Now what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go to the dollar store. I think Walmart has them, Target, or whichever store it is that you'd like to go to. Grab yourself some of these. These are just cheap disposable shower caps. I think they're like maybe 15 cents a piece, maybe something like that. I got 10 of them for like just a couple dollars. And what you're going to do is when you get in the shower, let's say you don't have conditioner, but you still want to get a lot of moisture into your beard. You're going to want to get you a nice, really hot shower. Get your beard good and wet. Let that hot water get all over it for a good little while. Simply take this, open it up under your beard. And then, of course, it'll go below your nose. Do not, obviously, put it above your nose, or you will suffocate. Common sense, guys. But this is going to lock in all that steam. Let me go ahead and get that off. But as you're getting your shower, just put that cap over it. It locks in all that steam. And the hotter the shower gets, and as you're in there, it just makes it steam out even more. And it really, really helps your beard absorb that moisture a ton. And I truly believe it's more so than just getting in there and letting the shower hit you. This really, really locks in and concentrates that steam and that heat to lock it, get that moisture to open it, go into your hair. It opens up your pores. It opens up your hair, all the little scales on it. It opens them up and lets that moisture in your beard hair. Now, another great tip with one of these, if you want to do deep conditioning, and there's a couple different methods of deep conditioning, and I'm going to go over both of them with you. Now, you're obviously going to need conditioner for this one. So if you are on the budget, just do that whole steaming method. But if you can afford the conditioner, or if you just want to do a really nice deep conditioning, as you put your favorite conditioner in, this is Classic Grooming's. I will leave my affiliate link down in the comment section down below. Feel free to use the affiliate link. All you do is click on it. It takes you straight to the website, order whatever you do, and I do get a small kickback, but every penny that I'm going to get as far as the kickback goes is going to be basically just turned around, and I'm going to give away product from Classic Grooming. But this is a really super thick, awesome, really great conditioner. As you can see, I've used the crap out of it. And I do have a review coming up of this here very soon, the conditioner and the wash. But anyways, go ahead and wash your beard. Or if you're on just a conditioner day, just condition your beard. But again, get your beard really good and wet, good and saturated with the hot water. Put in the desired amount of conditioner. I usually, if I'm going for that deep conditioning thing, I put in just a little bit extra. And again, get all your beard all in, put it inside of your shower cap, and continue to take your shower like that. Again, that hot steam gets trapped in there, plus all the extra steam and heat from the inside the shower is going to help steam it in your beard, and it lets that conditioner, it's the same as it would the water and the moisture, it lets that conditioner get into your hairs. Works really, really well. I do not recommend doing it very often, maybe once every other week or every week. If you have a really dry beard, every week. But just kind of rotate it in with your whole beard routine, see what works for you. And this one really works really, really well. Now, My personal favorite thing to do is about once a week, I do a hot oil treatment. Now, this one does take a little bit of time. It takes a little bit of patience. It takes a little bit of just more time altogether when it comes to your grooming routine. But what you're going to need, shower cap, again, your favorite oil blend. I do highly, highly recommend purchasing your own carrier oils and mixing them yourself. I do not recommend adding essential oils or fragrance. You can add the fragrance, but be very careful when you add essential or fragrance, because you can get too much and you can cause some serious burn, irritation, and possibly hair loss. So be very careful if you do decide to add any fragrance or essential oil to it. But I personally just go for an unscented version. I will leave a couple links down below of a couple places where you can order the carrier oils of your choice. I do highly recommend that Castor be one of them. Sweet almond oil, jojoba, hempseed. Those are the 4 that I mainly use. Every now and then I'll do a different mix just to kind of mix it up. I don't want my beard getting the same nutrients all the time. I like to mix it up, but that's my main carrier blend for my hot oil treatments, and I will also put that down in the description below for you as well. But you're going to want to do that. You can also just pick your favorite beard oil off your shelf, but it's going to be more expensive this way. So again, you're better off ordering a few of the 8 or 4 ounce bottles of carrier oils, mix them all together, and you get a really nice, good size, like 16 ounce jug of hot oil treatment. Now, what you're going to want to do is you can either do this in the shower or out of the shower. That's completely and totally up to you. I mostly do it out of the shower. All you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get your beard super wet, super moisturized, good warm water. You don't want to go too hot, but you want it pretty warm. And you also are going to want to get some water pretty warm as well, and set this in the bowl or cup of water, whichever you want to do it. Do not get it too hot or you will ruin the carrier blend. You know what I mean? What you don't use, what's left over will ruin if you keep heating it too much and dropping it down and all that. It'll really mess it up, and it takes away the nutrients as well. So the first time or two, you'll kind of have to play around to see how much oil you're going to use and how much you need. I use quite a bit. I do it to where my beard basically almost starts to drip oil. I do a real heavy one. I work around drywall dust, concrete dust, insulation, all that stuff. So my beard gets dry really bad throughout the day. But kind of play around, figure out how much oil you need and how much you want to use. If you are in an office setting or you are home because of COVID or whatever it may be, you might only need maybe 2 or 3 droppers. But you are going to want more than just your standard what you use during the day. But you're basically going to get your hair really warm, get your face good and warm, wet from all the warm water, have your oil, again, setting in a very warm, like a coffee cup is what I try to use. Set it in there, let your oil get good and warm, put it all on your beard, put your shower cap, again, under the beard, above the mustache, and over the ears. Super easy. Yes, it looks super goofy, but I promise you this is the one that you really, really want to try. The hot oil treatments about once a week, once every other week have been the most beneficial thing that I have done for my beard since I've started my beard journey. My beard is thicker than it ever has been. This is a 6-month beard. I know it looks like crap because I've had the shower cap on and off, but this is about a 6.5 month beard, and it is growing so freaking fast. It comes in thicker. My hair is super healthy. I do not have a lot of shed. I literally shed, that I notice, just a few hair, like a handful of hairs a day. Probably like 6 to 8 hairs a day, and that's about it that I notice. I have very, very healthy beard hairs. So I hope these 3 little tips helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Again, I'm going to leave my Classic Grooming affiliate link down below. I'm going to leave my my favorite carrier mixture for the hot oil treatments. And I'll also leave a couple websites where you can order some pretty dang good carrier oils for a little bit cheaper price, so you can mix your stuff together for the hot oil treatments. And I'll kind of leave a few other recipes that I like to use as well. But Anyways, this is episode 6 of Bearding on a Budget. I truly hope you got something out of it. I know I always do. If you have any questions, comments, future videos you would like to see, or any hacks or anything like that, please leave a comment down below. Let me know. I do ask, please share my videos. Even if it's just with one other person, share my videos so we can continue to get the knowledge out there to help other beardsmen, especially the new guys and the guys on a budget. Besides that, hit the thumbs up, share the video, click that subscribe button, and make sure you hit the notification bell. Sorry, my brain went slow. That way you're notified of all my future content. Besides that, guys, God bless you. Have a great day.